The vowels of the Yakan language are a little different from your typical main islands of the Philippines, okay? Because Yakan is a Sama Bajau language, so it's gonna have some interesting features that aren't probably present in most major Philippine languages, right? There are about 10 vowels in the Yakan language, right? We have maybe about four commonly short ones, plus their counterparts, which are the elongated vowels, okay? Again, I just want you to get the feel of the language. I won't be translating the words, but I want you to get the feel for them, okay? So we have right? Your typical short, crispy vowels, e, o, or u, and then o. The o is o doesn't really occur a lot in this language. It's from time to time just there, but it occurs mostly in loan words, especially from like loan Spanish words or loan English words or other loan words. O. U is very heavily used, okay? The e, and u. This however, sometimes when people speak really fast, it can sound like a neutral kind of vowel, like an okay? Instead of an it gets unstressed as an okay? You'll kind of hear that. Especially with between like consonants and other vowels, and when it gets pronounced really fast and unstressed, it gets the kind of pronunciation, Now, aside from and all of this stuff, right, they also have their elongated forms, which means that you just pronounce the vowel longer than usual. From we get right? We get we get and then we get o, we get o, right? So I hope you can hear the differences between the short and the elongated vowels, the long vowels, okay? A, e, I, U, O, okay? And these are just like some really common examples that I wrote. You know, it's not an exhaustive list, but you can start, okay? Mahap, right? Mahap, right? Mahap, that mahap, okay? P, right? P as opposed to B, okay? P as opposed to B, P, B, okay? Mahap, P, B. So you see there are these kind of elongated forms, and that's common with these Sama Bajau languages.